Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Mercedes-Benz. 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL 450 Luxury, power, and precision in every drive. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL 450 where luxury meets performance. Powered by a 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engine delivering 362 horsepower and 369 feet-pounds of torque, this SUV offers an exhilarating drive. Its stunning steel gray metallic exterior pairs perfectly with a refined black leather interior, exuding sophistication. Enjoy premium features like heated front seats, a power sunroof, navigation, a rearview camera, a power liftgate, and a premium audio system. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, keeping you protected on every journey. With fuel efficiency of 17 mpg city and 21 mpg highway, this spacious SUV is as practical as it is stylish. A clean Carfax report and single ownership highlight its excellent condition. Don't miss your chance to own the 2015 gallons 450 4MATIC. Contact us today to schedule a test drive and experience luxury redefined. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.